Hey guys, so I got this new product in the mail today, and it is a steering wheel cover, like this. I don't know if you can see it. It has easy to install, medium. I'm hoping it fits my car. So this would be great for vehicles that have that get really hot in the summer. Their steering wheel gets really hot, and it's hard to drive when you have a hot steering wheel. So that helps with this. Let's see. It says it's easy to install, but I am kind of confused right now. So I'm gonna set this up here so that I can see if I can do it. This is harder than it looks. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, there we go. Awesome. So it's a little, you gotta make sure that you use some strength to pull it, but this is what it looks like. It's sleek, it's comfortable, and I will definitely be using this on a daily basis. So definitely check it out. It's pretty cheap. Well, not cheap. It's well priced. So if you're interested in getting a steering wheel cover, I would definitely recommend this one. Thanks, guys.